Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Camp. Today we are doing some deals at Family Dollar. Not 5 off 25 because those deals just did not work for people and it turned out to be a mess. And I do not like people talking derogatory on my channel. So I won't be doing those because I just don't think the way they do the coupons is fair. So I'm not going to be doing them. Look at this here, guys. But what I am going to do is I'm going to do some deals. And I do have one 5 off 25 if you want to spend up to that amount. If you don't, then you could do the simple deal that I have. And also, I found the smart coupon, so I know what that is, okay? So come on with me and shop. So all of this is the clearance aisle right here. See this? All of this is clearance items. You can scan it. Sometimes they scan and work. Sometimes it does not work. And today it's not working really good for me. But look at it. All of that is clearance. If this was Dollar General, I would have ate them up. But I could scan this stuff. It don't come up. I could scan it don't work. Like I scanned these, they say 225, and that's like the reduced price, but it does not work. So we have to wait until it does work to get to some of the stuff. So the first deal we're gonna do is a all digital 5 off 25, all digital. So let's go and let's do that deal first because I want to make sure that we all got understanding that the 5 off 25, they changed the app. Some stores old, some stores new. And if people was telling me that they deal didn't work. And that is something I do not want you to have. I want to be able to give you deals that work. So let's do the first one, okay? This is the one and only digital I have, so pay attention. The first thing we're going to grab is some $4.95 Tide Pods. This is detergents also, guys. Okay, here it is. Tide Pods. I grabbed one with Downy just because it's down. But that's the coupon. We're going to grab one Downy liquid. It's the $5. You get a dollar off coupon, make it $4. This is it right here with the little girl. Okay, we're going to grab one Suavitel, and they're at $2.50. You get a dollar coupon, make that $1.50 right here. Then let's go down here and grab our Purex. Okay, the Purex is $4.25. They gave you a $2.50 coupon. I love when they give us this deal, and it make that $1.95. Let's grab one Home Line bleach. Okay, and here's the bleach right here, and it's $4.25. Make this $4. Okay, and let's go grab one U Tampax. Okay, one U Kotex, the Tampax. Okay. And these are the ones we're going to grab. They are $4.25. They give you a dollar coupon, making them $3.25. Okay. Here. And let's go grab $1 off $1 dish detergent. Okay. And you can grab one Palmolive Oxy for $1. Okay, now remember all of these this is no coupon for this. I grabbed it because I need to get this up to $25. Okay, so let's go and look at our deal. Okay, this is what you should have: one with you Tampax, one Downy, one Purex, something to fill your dollar in with, one Home Line bleach, one Suavitel, and one Downy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Okay, let's see the coupon. Okay, I did clip the 5 off 25 coupon right here. It might be blue, but you know it's on my phone. In store, live and raw. You got the U by Kotex, $1 off digital. The Home Line bleach for 25 cents. One Downy for $1. One Suavitel for $1. One Purex for $2.50. One Tide Pod for $2. Now, after this deal, before taxes, you should be paying $12.15. Now, let me show you the other coupon that I have that should work on this deal. This is the coupon, but I don't think it'll let it work on the 5 off 25. So if it does, then it'll take you to $10.15. If it doesn't, you're going to pay $12.15 out of pocket, and it's for all laundry detergent. That's a good deal. Okay, let's go to our next deal. It is not a 5 off 25. Repeat, it is not a 5 off 25. And this is using coupons that came in the newspapers from last week and the week before. We are still working on our Axe and our Axe coupons, which are just giving us all kind of freebies. Okay, this deal is going to involve the $2 off when you buy $6 worth of an Axe, Degree, Suavitel, Dove product, okay? So you should have grabbed 2 of these, but I don't see them. Let's see. 1. So you got 1 of those for $2.75. And then you might have to grab, so this is what I would do. The scenario is you grab 2 of these, okay? So if you don't have, you need 2 of these to make the free one. So you could grab a $2.75 and then you could grab one for $4.25. That'll automatically put you up to $6, over 6. So you can grab 2 of those. Buy one, get one. Remember the BOGO deal. Then let's grab 2 Axe body washes. Then you want to grab 2 Axe body washes for $4 a piece. Okay, the next Axe is $4.50. So you got to grab one. But, you know, your store might have a $4 one. See if it has the $4 one. If not, grab 2 of these, okay? Okay, this deal, guys, you already know that I went over, right? Good, how are you? I already know that I went over, right? Make sure you get the $4 Axe and the $2.75 Axe because it's going to put you to the $6 range. Once you get that up there, you're going to use these 4 coupons. So you're going to use this coupon, which is buy one, get one free, expire on the 19th. And then you're going to use this coupon, which is buy one, get one free. Both expire on the 19th. Taking your total should come up to $13.70. I did that at the lowest price. So both of them was at $4 a piece, and that was the smaller Axe at $2.75. Now, after you take the $4 off one BOGO, the $2.85 off the other one, that'll leave you at $6.85. You should qualify for the $2 off Axe. Dove. Let me get the coupon out because I took a picture of it this time. This the $2 off the next shopping trip when you get $6 and you got to spend it on those products. So if you do that, you'll get $2 off, okay? Now, if you have a $2 already on there, it should come off with it. If it doesn't, it's just, they just making us have a hard time with their coupons, that's all. But it should come off. And then you check your app. The next day, you should see that $2 coupon on there. Let's go do the Dove one, but I don't have the coupon for it. Okay, we're going to do the Degree. Guys, it's getting kind of crowded in this store. Okay, we got the Dove coupons at $3.85. You got a $1.50 off coupon. If you buy 2 of the Doves, use that $1.50 off coupon that came with the Axe that expires at that on the 19th. You will get a $2 coupon on your app. Okay, $2 coupon. Also, if you want to do the swab, see the swab right here? Oh, that's new. That's a formulated without aluminum swab. Okay, so you want to buy 3 of these. You need 3 swab. And I would use 3 coupons. I would use 3 coupons. I would try to use 3 coupons. Excuse my hands, guys. Oh my God. They should give you a $2 coupon back on your app because that qualifies as 6. But the way they work is they might be looking like if you're using a coupon. But I did this deal because that's how I ended up with the $2. But I did this deal on the Axe and I used coupons and I did get that $2 back. So it does work on that app. Okay, it does work. If you use coupons, it still should give you $2 back. Look, guys, what I'm looking at. So they are building a $1 rack over here. They did not have one. I know the other one store, some of the other stores do, but they did not. So now they building one. They got some pretty good stuff. They got Ajax Pine Glow, Steel Wool, Old Tidy Bowl. Baby, this stuff right here, my husband swear about awesome. Oh, look. Scent enhancers. I'll try those. Okay, Palmolive, they got all of those deals over there. Let's go do our bonus deal. Okay, the deal that I'm going to do, guys, is the Purex. Remember, the Purex is $4.25. Take away $2.50. Leave this at $1.95. And that's the big ounce. What ounce is that? The 65 ounce fluid ounce. So that's a nice size. And I want to do the Suavitel at $2.50. Taking away $1. Leave this at $1.50. And I'm gonna add on the Tide because they didn't have my 2-axe. I was gonna grab the 2-axes. So what you could do? You could grab the 2-axes at $3.85. Do that deal, and it should give you a $2 back, and you should pay five without the Purex on there. You should be paying $5.44 out of pocket. Plus, you should get that $2 back on the axe on your app. So you'll be paying $3.44 when it's all done. But I do have $2 on my app for the last axe that I used, so I'm gonna use that on there, and I should be paying $3.44 out of pocket for all of this today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed these deals, guys. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share my channel. I really am enjoying the support that you all gave me, and I appreciate it, and I'll keep the deals coming. I got so many new things that's coming at the beginning of the year, guys. So be ready. I'm excited for my channel myself.